Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display related product in cart page in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. So we are going to install plugin. Then in search plugin, write related product for WooCommerce. So this is plugin related product for WooCommerce we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see WooCommerce and then you see related product, so click on it. Now plugin setting open and scroll down, you see multiple options. So we are in general setting and then you see working mode, custom related product, default, disable. So you can customize related product according to your requirement, and then you see show related product in cart, enable this option, and then you see title. So you can select category or tag, and then you see hide related product for categories. So you can do customization according to your requirement, and then you see number of product to display on slider per page, home, tablet, mobile, and then click on save changes. Now settings saved. Go to cart page and refresh the page. Then in cart page you see related product by using plugin. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.